Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today, we have finally a new version of Google Chrome. We have moved on to version 102 of the browser, released today, May the 24th, 2022. So this new version of Google Chrome is available and will be rolling out to everybody within the next days. If you want to see if you have it, simply go to Chrome, go to the upper right corner, three dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. And here you should see the update to version 102.0.5005.63. What's new in here for regular users? First of all, better control and better installs of the progressive web apps is becoming a powerful tool. So progressive web apps, like you can use twitter.com, for example, you have the option to install Twitter as an app for Google Chrome. So this is actually a powerful tool. And there's now going to be more and more compatible types of progressive web apps. They're actually working on this, including options that will have even file managers available through the app as if you were using a real app. So this is cool, and this is going to be nice. So now you're going to have a section to open and install and manage files, basically. This is pretty cool. There's the ability in this version that will be eventually a capture and control tab. So that means you'll be able to capture a tab and then go on to another tab, but still continue controlling the tab that you captured, even though you're not on that tab at the moment. So this is another feature that's coming to add more power to what you can do with Google Chrome. There's a new way now of going through the tabs with keyboard shortcuts. You can use Control-Shift and then use the page up or page down buttons to move through the different tabs in Google Chrome. So that's pretty much the front-facing basic features. As for the rest, there's a lot of under the hood features for developers, a lot of security fixes that I'm going to talk in the next video. So even if you don't care about the features, just for the security fixes, update to the latest version of Google Chrome. Upper right corner, three dots, Help, and About Google Chrome. You should see version 102 appear today on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.